Tomatoes tofu egg soup. This soup is appetizing and delicious. Cook this low-carb soup anytime you like. Easy and quick recipe. Suitable for busy working days. Tomatoes are good for skin whitening effect, while tofu is high in protein. First choice healthy soup for your family. Let's start cooking. 2 tomatoes. 1 piece square tofu. 1 egg. Wash tomatoes. Crack egg into bowl. 1 teaspoon salt. Beat egg until frothy. Tofu cut into small pieces. Diced tomatoes. Chop the second tomatoes. One tablespoon cooking oil. Pour in chopped tomatoes. Stir fry with high heat. Add in cubed tomatoes at this stage to have the tomatoes cube texture to bites when eating. Add 1 big bowl hot boiling water. Cook until it's boiling. Add tofu and cook for 1 minute. Optional to add 1 teaspoon chicken powder, half teaspoon each of salt and pepper powder. One teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Boil over medium heat. Carefully pour egg liquid. Do not stir. Let the egg to form. Slowly stir when egg drops are formed. Off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Carefully pour soup into soup bowl. Tomatoes tofu egg soup is done. Nice orange-red color. Smells so good. I recommend this soup. Must try ya. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for your support. You may use this soup broth to cook noodle. It's delicious too. Leave me comment after you cook this soup, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you soon.